Doing a quick update on the washer pump for the Corvair. One of my viewers made a suggestion that I look at Corvette parts to see if I can find a bellows, and sure enough, I picked this up from Corvette Specialties of MD West in California. It's part number 1044, and this looks just like the original bellows that it has. So when you look down in the valley there, you've got the little washer, and then on the bottom of the bellows, it looks like that's going to work. So let me pop this out and see if we can put the new bellows in, and who knows, maybe have washers again. All right, that looks like that's going to work. Let's get this thing back together. Okay, we're all back together. Let's fire this thing up and see if it works. I hear something squirting or pumping. No fluid yet. Okay, so I made a fatal flaw. I put all of the one-way valves on the same side so it could draw fluid in, but it couldn't draw it out. This one has to go this way so that it can draw fluid into it and then push out. So let me just flip this back around and try this again. Okay, now that we've got the valves in the appropriate places, I bet it'll work this time. All right, now that I've got the little one-way valve back in the right place, let's try this again. I'm pretty sure that we're going to have washers this time. All right. We are pressing the button. Do we have washers? Okay, so third time's the charm. Now I got both of them backwards. I guess if I pay attention, I'll figure out how this thing works. Okay, so fluid should be drawn in this way. So it needs to be able to go in this way and out this way. So this one needs to go in. So this is the inlet, these are the two outlets. So the valve needs to go in this way. Okay. So that way fluid can come in, and then when it pushes pressure, it's sealing against that. Now, this on the outlet side needs to be, make sure, yep, I'm on the right spots here. Needs to be this way so that when it's drawing fluid in, it's sealing, and when it pumps, it pushes that valve open. Okay, got it this time. I'm confident that this time we are going to make it right. Okay, third time's a charm. Well, it is squirting, kind of. Here's, you'll be able to see this. It's kind of drooling more than anything out of the squirter, so it's not very strong. Looks like it's got a clogged prostate. Wonder what the other one looks like. Yeah, kind of the same thing here. It's just, it's pumping, but not great. So at the end of the day, technically the washers do work, albeit not fantastic. I'll take a look and see if, you know, maybe the end of the little squirters is opened up too much, or, you know, what's going on there if I've got a hole in one of the hoses. I'm happy that it did actually work, and maybe for yours, that Corvette washer bellows will work. I'll put a link below in the video where you can pick this up. It wasn't expensive, it was like 20 bucks, I think. So maybe it'll work for your car. All right, thanks for watching. Take care, God bless. We'll see you next time.